TT Squad, this is Tia. I am making meatballs and cauliflower fur fry. Bam. It's already made, but this is one of my meals I'm having for today. I'm going to put the fur fries in. I don't know which one to put them in. I think I'm putting the fur fries on this one. I already got my oven preheated on 350. Yesterday, I know y'all probably seen the video that I made. Cauliflower potato tots. My son was like, came in here and I had to do the trash because the trash had to go out. He was like, Mom, what's in this trash can? I was like, nothing. He said, Mom, this is like tater tots. This is what I ate? He didn't know he ate cauliflower tater tots. He was like, Mom, it was so good. Because I told you I had made some, the video I had made some ham, some tater tots, and him some toasted eggs. Man, he wore it out. He was like, oh, Mom, this is so good, man. This is the best breakfast I ever had. But I never told him what it was. This is ground turkey. I had it in the refrigerator already, and I had already made it. I'm making me some meatballs. Yes. I added cheese in it, which I did this before, but I just had a taste for meatballs. I wanted something to go with my potatoes, with my french fries. I wanted some meatballs. And I didn't want no hamburgers, so I made these. I got a little Parmesan cheese in it. Parmesan cheese, no, I got mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese inside of them. Bam, see, look. Got some onions. And then the day of the weekend, so y'all know on the weekend my son, he leaves me, he abandoned me. He's gone, he's gonna miss out on the french fries. But he actually told me, Mom, you could buy them, I eat them all the time. And I was like, what? He said, Mom, it tastes just like tater tots. So y'all gotta try them. I got them from Safeway. I went to Walmart. Walmart did not have them because I had seen them. Walmart didn't have them. So I wound up getting them for Safeway. It's a little expensive. They was like $3 for a bag, and then a little bag. Like this little bag I got. It's really nothing in it, but it was $3. But we gotta think about it. It's tater tots. It's not supposed to be, you know. When I eat one of these, I'll be full. It's not supposed to be a lot because it's unusual. This is not what they look, you know. You don't get tater tots, you get regular tater tots. You don't get. I gotta wash my dishes like that. Bam, y'all. Look at them. Look at the tater tots. They look like real french fries. Yes. I'm gonna put them in the oven for about 20 minutes, because you know, I really don't know, because I'm just cooking them. But I'm gonna say about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna put these in there for about 20 minutes. It shouldn't take long. TT Squad, I'll be back to show y'all how it's cooking in about 10 minutes. Bye. Hey TT Squad, I'm back. Checking on the meatballs. See how they look. Did I turn them over? See. Coming out good. Put a little cheese in them. Yes. Hopefully they be good. Man, y'all just don't know how much I love cooking now. I really love cooking. Like, I'm so into it. Now, I gotta turn these. Look at this french fry. Look at them. Oh my God, they're gonna taste so delicious. I don't know if I should make some vegetables with it or not, because really this is like vegetables, because it's cauliflower. Bam. Bam. I wish my son was here to eat them, y'all, because he liking cauliflower, but and then they hot. Oh, they are hot. Look at them. They look good. Look just like french fries, TT Squad. I'll be right back. Hey, TT Squad. My french fries should be done. Yeah, look at the fries. They're nice and... Ooh. Yes, they nice and done. I gotta try some, man. Put me some ketchup on it. And they should be alright. And these are cauliflower french fries. Yeah. Let me try one. Mmm. Mmm. Yes, TT Squad. Wait for them. I'm about to get the meatballs not ready yet, but it will be. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. Finally, they are done. I got me some meatballs. I'm going to eat really good tonight. Got me some fries, some meatball, bam bam fries. I don't even want them. I don't even want. Like ketchup. I like a lot of ketchup, even though I know I probably can't have it, but I can't put a lot. Ketchup on the side. And you know what you ketchup? My son would have barbecue. He would put barbecue sauce on his. I want mustard. Where's mustard? I like mustard. Ain't no mustard. Always got. I'm about to say I always got mustard. If I don't have nothing else, I got mustard. Bam, boom, boom, boom. Mustard. I would do that for put the mustard. Mix it up together. Like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. I think I might eat. Sit back and eat. Yeah, I really did this one. That tastes good. Don't tell your kid. Get them nice, hard, crunchy. Just like from. Like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. Bye.